I recorded the entire thing just to see कि recording on ही नहीं थी. Oh my god. This is a real struggle of creating content, guys. I mean, it really takes a toll out of you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So why am I in such a good mood? Because I got a haircut recently and I am obsessed over it. Yeah, you will see that in a few of my videos. So I apologize in advance for this and for the background noise you might be hearing, because everyone wants to get their house constructed around us. So in this video you will see a series of clips of me trying the Goodbug 14-day detox gut health shots, and honestly I was really surprised with the results and happy also. This is a happy video, so don't think kuch negative hoga isme. So let's just begin and I hope you just enjoy the video. It is day 1 of trying the Goodbug gut cleanse 14-day reset formula prebiotic colon detox shot. Little backstory, I'll keep it very straight and simple and fast. I personally do not have any constipation related problems, but I was seeing these ads all over the internet, all over Instagram, and I was like, अब तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. Acne is flaring up a little bit. My weight is getting on a little bit because I'm eating a lot of junk here and there. So I thought this detox will be good not just for my colon, just for my body overall. And honestly, the reason I have taken this challenge is for better skin health. So in this video, from day 1 to day 14, I will be taking these shots and I will be giving you my update review, not a very big review, जैसे अभी intro बन गया है. In the last, I will give you my final review, but I will just show you taking these shots every single day. I have not tried it, मुझे नहीं पता इसका टेस्ट कैसा होता है, but it's a big shot, कोई छोटा नहीं है. How much ml is this? मुझे पता ही नहीं है. This is 70 ml, which is a pretty big size for a shot. ओके सो लेट्स सी. डे 1, इसमें लिखा है शेक वेल. मैंने ऑलरेडी फ्रिज में डाला हुआ था. इसमें लिखा था शेक वेल बिफोर यूज, बिफोर टेकिंग इट इन. स्मेल्स रिफ्रेशिंग, नॉट वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. जीरा की बहुत प्रोमिनेंट स्मेल है. ओके, हियर गोज नथिंग. चीयर्स. ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत सारा जीरा पी लिया मैंने. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कोई स्पेसिफिक टेस्ट नहीं है इसका. So this is what was written on the website, that the Goodbug gut cleanse, this is the gut and digestive health support. इसमें बहुत कुछ है as you can see. So इन्होंने बोला था कि इसको आप अगर उस probiotic drink के साथ लेते हो, that is the gut cleanse shot, तो आपको ज़्यादा इफेक्ट आएगा. So this you can take anytime throughout the day with just plain water also. So this I will take in the afternoon. It's morning right now, but I have taken this, so I will not eat anything. It's actually 1 o'clock, so I'll not eat anything till 2 p.m. So final thoughts. Yes, I've written everything down in my iPad. Honestly, I think it's a pretty good product. It is all natural, it's affordable, and I feel that gut health के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. I mean, I didn't find any con. I would feel that the only con is that the taste might not be for everyone. अगर आपको natural ingredients वाले, you know, the जीरा वाला पानी and all, वो सब पीने की आदत है, तो I think this will be fine. It was a little weird for me जब मैंने पहली बार पिया था. I mean, you must have seen in the video. Okay, so I had to change my location because वहाँ बहुत आवाज़ आ रही थी. There was too much drilling and it's, oh my god, it's taking a toll on me. But my final thoughts on this product. Honestly, I feel it's a pretty good product in relation to the quantity you get, the price, the affordability, the quality. It's gentle on the stomach. It has got all natural ingredients. It really helps with gut cleansing. However, I do not have constipation problem. I don't know if I said this in the video or not, but I do not have severe or minor constipation issues, so I did not see a difference in that. But I did see a difference in my skin because my body was getting detox. And I mean, you could see कि वो video मैंने एक month पहले बनाई थी, and you could see the condition of my skin that time. And I mean, look at my skin right now. There's no filter, just a foundation and concealer and basic makeup. I don't know, bumps and all. I also got microneedling done, so that plays a very important part in my skin. But however, this also played a very important part. With this, you need to eat healthy. Like, I did not eat the most healthiest during while I was taking the shots. If you want 100% results, then I would recommend you to eat healthy, eat a lot of fiber, eat a lot of protein. I ate just the normal food. I do not generally eat unhealthy food, so I ate my normal food, but I particularly did not eat anything very healthy, and I saw the result in my skin. Last but not the least, this is not a quick fix. I would recommend you to have these shots like twice. You can take a break for like a week in between, and then you can again start this procedure if you suffer from like a very poor gut health. And I feel that this will really help you. And that was my review. I mean, yes, you should try it. It's a plus from my side. It's, it feels good. It feels like you are doing something good for your body. So I feel that is very important at this day and age. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new, and thank you so much for hanging with me in my struggle of the location, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye.